y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Angelique, also known as NMRE. If you are new here, make sure that you subscribe, like, and comment. Let me know that you're here. And if you are not new here, welcome back. Okay, today's video is going to be on these mini twists with extensions, 100% human hair, okay, light and fluffy, okay. But yes, I'm going to show you guys how I added volume and length to my mini twists. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, thank you so much, HotBraids, for sponsoring today's video, and I hope you guys enjoy. HotBraids was kind enough to give me all of these utensils to help me with my mini twist, and everything was helpful. I used everything, of course. It came with 5 bundles of human hair, and this is how I stretched the hair. I did not use water because I wanted to do my hair on dry, or my mini twist on dry hair. So this is what you see me doing. I'm just getting rid of the tangles in the balls and like splitting them up into smaller pieces. As you guys can see, I was on the phone with my mommy and she was cracking me up. And this is the next day. This is how I prepped everything. This is everything that I used. And also HotBraids had a card and it shows maintenance tips, everything you need to know on the human hair. I'm speeding this up because I wanted to show you guys, like, you know, this from start to finish. I am doing the knotless braid method in the beginning, at the start of the twist, and then, you know, braid it down a little bit, and then I'll start to twist it. I'm going to slow it down for you in real time in just a few. So right here, excuse me, I get red. I'm not hurting and it's not tight. I just get red really easily. But as you guys can see, I applied Shine and Gem, and now I'm splitting it into 3 pieces. This is just a braid, a typical braid. So I add 1 piece of the human hair to one side, grabbing it really, really tight. That's why I'm red, because you want it to be tight at the root. It's not going to hurt once you're done, I promise you, and it's not going to pull the hair. And I add 1 to the other side. I do this so that it is even on both sides as far as thickness goes. And then I add another piece. Now sometimes I add only 2 pieces, sometimes I add 3 pieces. It just depends on the thickness. Sometimes I just feel for it. Certain areas of your hair is thinner and thicker than others, so that is the reason why I do that. So I'll braid down a couple of times, and once I get that base secured, I just take 2 of them, 2 pieces. I don't care if one side is bigger than the other. And I'm using Design Essentials Daily Moisturizing Lotion to help to smooth my braid or my twist. It really helps the human hair to be very soft and manageable because I am not using water. So just make sure you use a product that is very moisturizing and that has a lot of slip. So I'm twisting down regularly. I'm not doing the Senegalese twist because I want springy, fluffy twists. And right here, I'm going to show you that I add a piece of hair. When I add it, I put it between both of my hands, hold it, and then I'm going to put my thumb up there to push that hair up and twist, turn, twist, and turn. And after it has been secured, I go right back to twisting regularly without twisting and turning. And I'm making sure to apply product all the way down the hair strand. That helped. And to seal the ends is very, very easy, of course. It's just you twist all the way down until you don't want to anymore, and then I kind of twirl my finger around it. I did not pre-part my hair this time because I felt like every time I pre-part it, I always have to go over it. As you see, I'll go ahead and you see I already, I'll pre-part this part, of course, row by row. And every other one, I'll put it up and out the way. And the hair that is down, I'll go ahead and twist those. And then I'll go back and do the other ones. As you see here, I sped it up. It took me about, let's see, I started at 9 something, close to 10, and ended at like 6 something. And I did these really small, so y'all better not be in the comments talk about these are not mini twists. They are, okay? I got a couple of rows. I think I have 7 rows above the ear. I didn't really count underneath my ear in the back, but baby, they're small. Okay. And it's just the same process. It's very repetitive, so I just wanted you guys to see me do the whole process. I know some people like to see that. And here is the brick lay. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's so lightweight. At this point, I kind of got really excited. You can't see it in my face because I'm standing and I'm ready to be done already. But let me tell you, I was happy. I was definitely happy. Here it is. I'm parting the top. We're getting almost to the end, you guys. I did this all in one day. I see some people like to break it up, but I like to get it done. Okay, so I started early and I got to work. Okay, I had my music going and my mama was on the phone. We were talking for a minute, but I got this done because I was not playing no games. I was ready to get my hair done and I was super excited. So I usually do mini twists once a year, and I did not do any mini twists last year, so this was perfect. Yeah, so I was like, let's go ahead and do this. Yes, HotBraids. But the hair is so light and fluffy, you guys. This is perfect. I'm a girly who works out, and when I tell you I worked out the day after this, my head did not hurt at all. Like, it was a breeze. The workout was a breeze. But you guys, look, we're getting to the end almost. Yes, we got 2 more rows at the top, but look at that. So cute, so fluffy. I wanted them to be fluffy. I did not want them straight. I did not want them to be, stiff. So I definitely just did the regular twisting way. I did not do a Senegalese twist or whatever you guys call it. It's so many different names to the method. But yeah, so when it gets tangled like that, like you guys will see, I'll put the Design Essentials Moisturizing Lotion on the back of my hand because that's what works for me. And it helps to soften it. I'm telling you guys, it makes it super smooth. And my fingers did not hurt. Like, some braiding hair cut your fingers. This did not. I'm telling you. Just as long as you put, either water or a moisturizer on there, you'll be good to go. But hopefully you guys like this voiceover. I'm just steady talking. But it looks like I slowed it down again for you guys. Of course, adding one piece to one side, and I'm adding another piece of braiding hair to the other, and I am holding this really tight just so that my roots can be tight, and then that way once you start twisting, it doesn't hurt, and it isn't twisting the root because that braid is what secures it. So I braid down a couple of times. Of course, I'm tangling it up. See, let your fingers go all the way through when you're braiding. Do as I say, not as I do. Look at me. But you get that Design Essentials, go ahead and put it on that human hair, and it comes loose like butter. Like, it's simple. Looks like I'm struggling, but I need a little bit more product. Get my product, put it on the ends, and see how it easily slipped through. Like I said, I'm twisting, and I guess I would say I'm twisting clockwise, I guess. Or, yeah, I don't know, you guys, but anyway, you see how I did that? Twist and turn when I added it. So yeah, it's really simple, but a couple of tries and you'll get it, trust me. By the time that you get to the top, you'll get it. Yay, we are finished, y'all. Oh my goodness, look at me. I'm so cute. Don't worry about the ends. Don't worry, we about to get that together. So I am going to cut the ends because I definitely did not measure or anything like that, and I loved the way it looked, the blunt cut, after I trimmed it. And of course I pulled it down, so I did not cut my hair, you guys. It is definitely safe. But here is the end results, you guys. Please comment below and let me know if you like it, if you guys would try it. Y'all liking that grid? Ooh, she is fresh, honey. She's fresh. Super cute. Yes. Okay. Bust down middle. Do we want to do a bust down middle part? Huh? Or are we gonna change it? Let's try it on the side. What the side looking like? I like the side part. Bear with me. Bear with you, girl. But yes, super cute, super neat. Oh, and she's gonna be in for a while, okay? I'll let y'all know how long I keep her in, how long she lasts. Comment below if you would like me to let you know. Comment below if you are going to try this style. Please tag me in all of your videos, whether it's on Instagram or TikTok. I would love to see it. Okay, you guys, so this is the end result. I must say I do really like my hair because I love my mini twists, and my mini twists are never this thick, never this full, okay? I love it. They're springy too. I thought about steaming it. I low-key was thinking, here, let me go ahead and put some mousse. I don't really see a difference, but my hair smells good and it's moisturized. So what y'all think? What y'all thinking? You like it? Oh. Tell me in the comments below, would you try this style? This is what the back is giving. Super lightweight. I love it. I do. Not even gonna lie. I do. I usually go for the middle part too, but I'm really liking the side. It's all cute. For real. But I'm about to go to the gym, so I'm about to put it in a ponytail. Straight ponytail. Super cute in a ponytail as well. Pretty sure messy bun. These might be in for a minute. Not even gonna lie. Alright, y'all. I'm probably gonna make an intro because I want to get cute or whatever. And I'll be back.